Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a simple image into a stylish letter frame video using Canva. First, open Google Chrome. Search for the image you want, and once you find a good one, download it. Open a new tab and go to Canva. Create a new design. Choose a short video format. Now, upload the image you downloaded to Canva. Drag and place the image onto your canvas. Adjust it to fit the top area, or as per your design. Go to the Elements section and search for a letter. Choose a letter frame and position it on the canvas over the image. Now duplicate the image and drag it inside the letter frame so it gets filled. Click on the letter, select Show Layers, then duplicate the letter again. Click on Edit greater than Adjust greater than Brightness and reduce the brightness to 0. This creates a shadow or dim layer behind. Go back to the Show Layers menu and adjust the layers. Place the darker letter in the back and the image-filled letter on top. Double-click the second letter and make sure the image fits properly inside the frame. Remove the background of your image. Right-click again, go to Show Layers, and bring the image to the front. Now, crop the image and arrange all the elements neatly on the page. And that's it. You've just turned a simple image into a beautiful letter art video, all using Canva. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment with your feedback or questions, and subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorials.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.